Hello! Today we're going to learn the letter F saying F. Can you say F? And again? F. Well done! Now we're going to look at some pictures of things that begin with the sound F. See if you can join in. F. Fish. F. Fire. F. Foot. F. Frog. F. Flower. F. Fox. Fish. Fire, foot, frog, flower, fox. Well done! Now we're going to look at two pictures and you've got to say which picture begins with the sound F. Are you ready? Fork or crab? Which one begins with F? Well done! Fork begins with F. Fork. Table or fan? Well done! Fan begins with F. Fan. Bag or fruit? Well done! Fruit begins with F. Fruit. Flag or garden? Well done! Flag begins with F. Flag. Good job! Now we're going to play thumbs up, thumbs down. If the picture begins with F, you put your thumbs up. If it does not begin with F, you put your thumbs down. Are you ready? Does pond begin with F? No, pond does not begin with F. Does feather begin with F? Yes, feather begins with F. Feather. Does teacher begin with F? No, teacher does not begin with F. Does funfair begin with F? Yes, funfair begins with F. What fantastic learning! Now we're going to learn how to write the letter F. The letter F is a rainbow letter. It starts high up by the sun. Then it goes backwards over the rainbow, flick and cross it off. Follow with your finger. Backwards over the rainbow, flick and cross it off. Let's try one more time. Backwards over the rainbow, flick and cross it off. Wow, you learnt the letter F saying F. Now ask your grown-up to download your fun activity worksheets to practice even more. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. See you next time. Bye!